secular, non-denominational, and multicultural Hindu festivals in different parts of India. The festival is also known as Rakhi or Shravani Purnima, which falls in the month of Sawan on Purnima, or according to Hindu calendar. The practice of this festival is followed by all communities, including Muslims and Christians too. On this holy festival, brother and sisters show their unconditional love and affection towards each other by doing some ritual things, like sister tied a rakhi on brother's wrist and asked wish of her brother's long life and prosperity. Brother also offers cards or gifts to sister along with a pledge to keep his sister away from any difficulties all over her life. The traditional of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated since the prehistorical time period. According to scriptures, several stories are written in Hindu scriptures like Bhagavad Puran, Bhavishya Puran, and Vishnu Puran about this festival of Raksha Bandhan, which proves that this ritual has been celebrated since ancient time. The Raksha Bandhan is viewed as the secular festival which is celebrated in all communities with different rituals. Different parts of India celebrate Raksha Bandhan in different ways. Like in Maharashtra, it is called Narali Purnima. In Uttarakhand, it is called Janyo Purnima, and in Punjab, several fairs held on this day, etc. This festival brings all all family members together under one roof, and find them in close and also fill up love, affection, and care among brothers and sisters towards each other. This famous multicultural festival is celebrated all over the world where non-resident Indians are residing. Thank you.
Auspicious occasion, a sister ties a sacred thread called a Rakhi around her brother's wrist. He gives her a gift and she offers him sweet. It's, it's, it is the day when brothers make a promise to their sister to protect them from all troubles, and sisters pray for their well-being to the God. This year, Raksha Bandhan will fall on 22nd August 2021. The word Raksha Bandhan itself describes the importance and meaning of this festival. The word Raksha means protection, and Bandhan stands for tie or knot, and this bandhan.
A very good morning to all my respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Ravleen Kaur. Today I am going to speak few lines on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the famous festival of India. It is celebrated by the brother and sister only. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the day on Shravan Purnima. This festival shows the bond of love and care between brother and sister. On this day, sister ties a special thread on her brother's wrist. The brother gives so many gifts to her sister. Sister offers sweets to her brother. On this day, people cook special food and wear new clothes. At Raksha Bandhan, brother always promised to protect her sister. The sister prays to God for good health and good future and safety of her brother. It is a symbol of love and care between brother and sister. Thank you.
Brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan is one of the important festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated in the month of Sawan. It is the festival of brother and sisters. On this day,
बहना ने भाई की कलाई से प्यार बांधा है, प्यार की दो तार से संसार बांधा है। रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की डोरी से संसार बांधा है। थैंक यू।
Of siblings in the family. It is celebrated on Purnima, the full moon day, in the month of Shravan. is to protect, and Bandhan, the bondage of love, affection, and care.
Happy Raksha Bandhan, everyone.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aramat. I'm studying in class first. Today I made a card for my dear sister. Rakhi is a thread that binds two souls in a bond of joy forever. Happy Raksha Bandhan Day to my dear sister. Thank you.